The Free and Happy Student by B.F. Skinner. His name is Emile. He was born in the middle of the 18th century in the first flash of the modern concern for personal freedom. His father was Jean-Jacques Rousseau, but he has had many foster parents, among them Pestalozzi, Robel, and Montessori, down to A.S. Neil and Ivan Illich. He is an ideal student, full of goodwill toward his teachers and his peers. He needs to know no discipline. He studies because he is naturally curious. He learns things because they interest him. Unfortunately, he is imaginary. He was quite explicit, so Rousseau, who put his own children in an orphanage and preferred to say how he would teach him fictional hero. But the modern version of the Free and Happy Student to be found in the books by Paul Goodman, John Hall, Jonathan Kosol, or Charles Silberman. He is also imaginary. Occasionally, a real